What's going on, everyone? Welcome to Tim Reviews Everything and welcome to my quick updates 1 year after the time that I reviewed the product. Today I'm going to be talking about the Toguard dash cam. 1 year ago, I just told everybody that I think it's an absolute must to have this in your car. I cannot tell you the close calls that I have caught on that dash cam, and I actually put a second video out, so they're both going to be in the description below. Click those links and watch that, and I'm just showing you some of the footage on there. You know, if an accident happens, I have it on dash cam. It also has a cabin cam. It's very easy to install. The only thing I will say is that every now and then this thing shuts off. I don't know if it's just the way I put it into the cigarette lighter, but every now and then it shuts off. But if I play with the cigarette lighter, it turns back on. You know, I have a Hummer H3, and in that vehicle, it seems like it does it a lot more. So I'm thinking it's just the cigarette lighter being older. But other than that, no problems with this, always recording. I did kill my battery on the Hummer H3, so I don't drive it that often, usually on my days off, and I left it plugged into the cigarette lighter. So if your cigarette lighter stays on while your car is shut off, remember to unplug that cigarette lighter or you're gonna have a dead battery. So that's it for today. Love it. I will put them in every car I ever own again. I will never go without a dash cam. I highly recommend getting one. I'll see you guys next time. Have a great day.